It's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel again, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video, you are going to learn alphabet letter combination logo design. In CorelDraw, we are going to combine W and S letter to form a creative logo, just like what you see on the screen right here. Okay, so with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and get started. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe so you get notified each time I post content about CorelDraw. So let's begin. First thing to do is to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you click and hold down. Make sure you choose 2-point line. Having choose your press shift key and make a perfect stroke like this. Next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this shape. For you to do that, you just have to right click and press Ctrl key down, and this allow you to make a duplicate. Just click on copy here. Okay, now you can press shift key and select the top shape, then press letter C on your keyboard. This allow you to align to vertical center. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to look for your blend tools. For you to do that, you just have to go to your toolbar right here. So click and hold down and make sure you choose blend tools. Having choose your blend tools, you need to come to the blend tool property right here. Make sure you type in 6 right here, and you can just blend from top to the bottom. Just press shift key on your keyboard. So you maintain a very straight line. So you can always come back to your interval and just type 6. Press enter key on your keyboard. So you are going to have stuff like this. Then press P to centralize. So next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here. Go to object. From object, make sure you look for break blend apart, or press Ctrl K on your keyboard. It's so you're going to blend. You are going to break them apart. Next thing you need to do is to select everything and press Ctrl J to make a group. Okay, so next thing you need to do is to make a copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So this allow you to make a duplicate. Then you have to click once the duplicate. Then you come to the home tab right here. For the rotation, just type in 60 right here and press enter key on your keyboard. So next thing you need to do is to make another duplicate, Ctrl Z and Ctrl V. So this time around, just rotate to mirror vertical. So you are going to have stuff like this. Okay. So next thing you need to do is to fall back to the original shape, which is this one right here. Press P to centralize. And the next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here. Make sure you ungroup all the objects. Okay. Then you can select 3 stroke from the top. Press delete key on your keyboard. Then you come to the bottom, select 3 stroke. Press delete key on your keyboard. Next thing you need to do is to look for your smart fill tools. For you to do that, just click and hold down. Come down below here. Click and hold down and choose your smart fill tool. So when you choose your smart fill, then you can begin to fill on some of the necessary area. You can fill from the top right here, down here, and here, and here. Okay, then you can take to the top this way.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit.
Once you're able to fill everything, next thing you need to do is to select everything this way. And then you can drag out the logo shape. Next thing you need to do is to come down below here, right click to remove and fill your logo with color of your choice. So we can select everything. And we come to the home tab here and make sure we group. So you can select all this shape now. And make sure we press delete key on our keyboard. So we can fall back to the logo shape and we press P to centralize. Next thing we can do is to apply drop shadow. Then you can just select your circle and draw a circle at the bottom. Come down below here and fill it with black color. Next thing you want to do is to select your transparent. So having choose your transparent, choose fontaine. Then from fontaine, choose ecliptica. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you convert it into bitmap. For you to do that, just come to the home tab right here, click on bitmap, choose convert to bitmap. Click on OK. Next thing you need to do is to go to Effect. From Effect, you have to look for Blend. From Blend, look for Gaussian Blend. So you can adjust your blend radius. This depends on exactly what you are looking for. So once you're satisfied with the blend, then you click on OK. So you can press Shift key and drag to increase the shadow. Then you can press Shift key and select the logo shape and press C to align to the center vertical. You can easily use your forward arrow key to tap into the logo. Right click on the shadow, go to Order, Back of Layer. Then you can select everything, press Ctrl J to group, so you can continue to increase or decrease the size of your logo shape. This is how you make a creative W plus S letter logo design step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial like this in CorelDraw. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.